bright and early. Someone's a little bit grumpy. And we've got quite a busy day planned today. My sister's coming around with her little boy and their cousin, so they're going to be playing together in the garden for a bit. Oh, who is he? He's still teething, so he can't be kept happy for too long. And so yeah, my sister's coming around with her little boy, their cousin, and then we're going to play in the garden for a little while. It's nice and sunny, blue skies outside again. Very happy about that. A nice picnic.
Are you all done now?
It doesn't look like you're all done.
You're all done.
No. Be careful. Roll. No, don't do that.
Don't let me out in Burgos.
Hands, look, it's gone really slimy now. Wow, look at that. You can touch it.
No.
Oh, is it slime?
It's this.
Hey. Can you touch the mommy's gonna touch it? Look. My sister's gone home now. The boys had a great time in the garden playing with that. I think it's called bath slime, but it's spelled B-A-F-F. And you're meant to just pour it into bath water and it makes the whole bath turn into like a slimy mixture. Outside I think we did it a bit too, like we used too much mixture and too little of water, so it ended up being more like snow. But that was actually quite a lot of fun because they could throw it at each other and have slime fights. So they enjoyed that. Now we have to go meet Nanny at the beach, and on the way I think we're going to pick up some bibs for this little guy because he's dribbling through absolutely everything that he's wearing at the moment. He's got teething really badly, haven't you? He's teething badly. Oh yeah. So yeah, I'll probably do that, and then I'll deal with the... Oh, you got my hair! You got my hair! I'll deal with the chaos that's outside tomorrow, I think, when I tidy up. I'm hoping that if I just spray the slime with water it will dissolve. It's meant to just be washable, like be able to wash it away in the bath, so it shouldn't be too much different on the bath. But it's certainly made everything muddy out there. I'm ready at the boys now, get them changed, get our buckets and spades, and make our way to the beach. What are you doing?
Looking stuff.
Oh, you're looking close to the light in your sunglasses, Athena.
And I can go up my head.
Yeah, you look cool.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Today we go to the park.
We're going to the beach.
No.
No?
We're going to the park.
We're going to the beach.
No. Park.
Dana. Mind your head, you okay? Oh, it's better. Come here. Make it better.
And
or
you're a
better?
shark.
I'm a kiss it better shark.
Sharky. And you're a shark. Yeah.
Peekaboo. 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 You very hungry?
No, I want these.
You want juice?
No, I want these.
You very tired and very grumpy?
No, I'm not grumpy.
No, not even a little bit.
No.
There we go, 2 kid sausage. Yes, please.
Sweet. Bananas.
Banana.
Bananas.
It's a banana.
Reading your food.
This?
Yeah.
There's ice cream. Let's find the ice cream. Can you
Yeah.
find it?
I found it.
We found the ice cream. Can you reach the handle?
Yeah.
Oh wow. You're getting very tall. Red. Green. Let's go.
We're going now.
Get it now. Is it nice ice cream?
Yeah.
Your hair's proper crazy, Abel.
Yeah.
Is it good, Zach?
Okay.
Mm. It's so funny when they dream about eating. You'll poop, don't you, buddy?